Yes?
Yes.
Yes, we can do it together. We change world to the best.
Hello. If you're building a business, launching a project, driving winning marketing strategies, and deeply connected to the digital space, this book was made for you. Developed and written by Christopher Gassi, this experimental strategy reveals 20 key triggers for driving purchases and business growth. Synthesizing insights from 5 of the top current books in each field, it harmonizes these disciplines to deliver unmatched value. It is a success-oriented study that explores market trends, mindsets, current events, and entrepreneurial economics. Simple and effective, the BMD book secures your long-term growth. Whether your business is starting up, rapidly expanding, or navigating a downturn, download it for free while it's still available. The link is in the description below. Thank you and see you soon.